morning, primary school. This is iNews. It's Friday, February 15th, and also Ferris Wheel. I'm Giada.
And I'm Sara, and here is your morning announcements. This morning, Studio 5 will be hosting workshops for the rest of the school. Workshops will be happening during period 3.
Do you love how our ISHCMC Community Garden is shaping up? Come out tomorrow to help in the garden starting at 8 a.m. Early bird gets the worm.
ISHCMC Community English Club will be meeting tomorrow at 10 to 11 a.m. in the grade 3 area.
The BIS Invitational Swim Meet is this weekend. There are 101 StingRay swimmers from ISHCMC competing. If you are passing by BIS, stop and cheer them on.
It's SuperT time again. Get those cards out and start practicing. We need 2 representatives from each class to compete in the finals. Need to go to Jody Ubert by February 19th.
This is a reminder that Across Asia Youth Film Festival is accepting entries. Many films have been entered, and it's time to get yours in. Final deadline is March 30th.
Great job in the sand pits and putting away all the new toys. Keep being responsible and put away the equipment at the end of each recess.
If you have any board games or card games to donate, please bring them to room 106, Miss Papatera's room.
Make spaces open to Studio 4 and 5 students today during morning recess.
Joke of the day. What did the volcano say to the other?
What?
I love you.
Well, that's it for today's morning announcement. Have a fantastic Friday.